Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. My guest is Larry Reaugh. He's the CEO and president of American Manganese. Welcome back to the show, Larry.
Always glad to be here, Jim.
American Manganese has a brand new news release. What's in it?
Okay, we have, actually we're putting a release out now, but it's after the market, so I can talk about it. We engaged Fundamental Research to do a research report on us several months ago, and we finally, it's going to be released this afternoon, and so it's probably the first, if not only, research report on a recycling company out there. And so they were breaking new roads to do that, and it's taken some time. And but we did get a buy recommendation, and we did get some factual stuff in the fundamental research report. So I think it's going to help get the company's story out there to some institutions and perhaps some brokerage firms around the world, and because their initial report goes out to those people. So I'm happy with the report. Of course, I'd like to see a projected price a lot higher, but it's a good target for us to look forward to working for, and to move the company up. I won't tell you what the target is at this time, or the recommendation. You'll have to read the report for that. But that will be attached to a news release coming out in the next hour. And I'm happy with the progress of everything that's going on for the company. So, and remember that this is a current situation where the company's at. We haven't got the pilot plant completed, so it's positive. And once that pilot plant's completed, that'll significantly reduce the risk as far as anybody that wants to go out on the limb and recommend us.
Larry, last week you talked about how the stock market was treating you. How is it doing this week?
Well, last week I said that I think the market will see 30,000. You're talking about the Dow Jones. Well, before it sees 15. And since that time, and it's got nothing to do with my forecast, but the Dow is certainly acting like it's consolidated its losses and could potentially move forward. It's earnings season, so we're starting to see that come out, and some good positive results will help move the Dow up. And of course that reflects down to the Canadian markets and even down to the venture markets where we are. So I think the call was right, still do, and I'm seeing positive situations happening that could move the Dow in a upward direction back into bull territory. I don't think it ever left bull territory, but that's the prognosis as of today, Jim. It's looking like we're coming into a good market, certainly better than the weather. And I would like to say that, remind people that I'm off this weekend to Henderson in Nevada, which is just out of Las Vegas, to the Argus Specialty Metals Conference where we've been asked to present. And just as an aside, if you wanted to attend that conference, it's $1,600 to attend. So it's obviously not a looky-loo conference. So we can hope for the best out of that.
Larry, for new listeners, can you just give us a little thumbnail sketch about what American Manganese is all about?
American Manganese is a critical metals company that's focused on their technology that was developed years ago to recycle lithium-ion batteries. And our proof of concept has shown that we can get 100% of the cathode materials back, and we're currently working on 3 new IPs along with a pilot plant. And everything's progressing well in that, and I hope to have an update soon. Something I can solidly say out there. And the company is actually traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol AMY, traded in the U.S. under AMYZF, and it's traded in Frankfurt under the symbol 2AM. You can reach us at 778-574-4444, or you can email me at LREAUGH@AMYMN.com.
Larry, thank you for the update.
You're welcome.
My guest has been Larry Reaugh, CEO and President of American Manganese. I'm Jim Goddard. We were speaking on April 13th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.